I'm very much a wing it girl, a blag it girl, so I don't think I can rely on that forever in this competition. I've really got to knuckle down and pull out some new skills every time.
They've understood that I want those stone fruits to sit at the centre, but they're doing other things.
My peaches are now on a low heat. My meringue's done. My biscuits are done, so I'm looking good, which is a little bit scary.
If each one of them pulls off their dish as they intend, I'm going to be a very lucky man.
I'm really happy with my cake thing. They taste all right, yeah.
I've just burnt my creme pat. Oh my God, that's ridiculous. It's never happened to me in my life. It tastes good.
Well, if it tastes good, then you're all right, aren't you?
It does, it tastes really good.
You have just 7 minutes left.
I'm not going to make it again. It's no time.
What else have I got to go on now?
This is the most beautiful gingerbread. It's beautiful.
That won't set, will it, like a creme pat?
It's only got support plums. It's not really got too big a job.
I'm a bit worried that it is going to be
It's all
confident.
going right. Last touches, last 15 seconds.
My creme pat just caught slightly at the bottom, but it tastes really beautiful.
Stop! Time's up. I thought Kerry's flavours were fantastic. Sharp damsons with creme pat, lots of vanilla and cream and ginger. Really good flavours. But the creme pat was too wet. That's an error.
And there were not enough damsons on the plate. Let's be fair about it. I think it's the end of the competition for Kerry.
We've got to now decide between Claire and Letitia, and that is not easy. Not one of those ladies made a mistake. Letitia showed a lot of skill, I think, and really worked hard at her presentation. I liked the look of those peaches, and they had a cone of Italian meringue on there.
You consider in 90 minutes making ice cream, making Italian meringue, making your own biscuits, putting it all together. I thought it was a fun-looking dessert, and it had plenty of technical know-how.
Claire's dish, I thought, tasted great because it was a really good combination between sweet and sharp.
She used a Victoria plum, which she roasted with star anise, and then she used damsons, which she didn't sweeten but turned to a puree. The flavour of the almonds through that cake, with the crispy outside and the soft centre, worked beautifully. Two great cooks. What do we do?
I don't know who deserves to go through out of those two, but I think it's even harder to try and work out who deserves to leave. That was some great cookery there. Really good cookery. We're impressed, and so was Jay, so very well done. Our first semi-finalist is Alexina. Very well done. Claire, Letitia, two really good cooks with two really good dishes. Really tough decision to make. The decision we have made is that you are both going through to a semi-final.